How to connect mobile phone Bluetooth with the car system. In this video I'll show you how to connect your mobile phone with Hyundai Tucson. Take your mobile phone and tap Settings. Then go to Network and Internet or Connected Devices. It depends on your mobile phone system. At your car, press Connect button. Then Bluetooth. Pair devices. Then icon with the plus sign on the top. And tap Yes. Then grab your phone. Tap Pair new device. And wait a couple of seconds. And you should have available Tucson. And tap. Check the code is the same on the screen on the mobile phone. And tap Connect. Now your mobile phone is connected with the car system, so you should be able to make and pick up calls and also listening music using car audio system. Worldwide radio station available in your car. Watch this video how to do it. Hi guys, today I want to show you how to listen in absolutely any radio station from worldwide on your audio car system. I'm located in United Kingdom, but you can see on this video I can listen in radio station from Turkey, Africa, Romanian, Hungarian, Polish and any country in the world without any problem at all. Watch this video to the end. I will show you step by step how to connect your audio car system to the worldwide station. First, you need to connect your mobile phone with the car audio system by Bluetooth. If it's already connected, you can skip this step. Okay, my mobile is connected, so I can show you how to listen in the worldwide station. Now you need to take your mobile phone and go to your Apple Store or Google Play and download the virtual radio app. On this video I use V-Radio app. If your mobile phone is already connected via Bluetooth, you can choose a radio station from V-Radio app and listening your favorite station via car audio system, I mean the car speakers. Enjoy listening your favorite radio station. If you have any question, write in the comment below. I will show you the simplest method of updating the sat-nav in Hyundai Tucson. First, turn on the system and make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. Next, press and hold the cock button for 5 seconds. And then tap Update. Check for the available version, and if there is a newer version, tap Upgrade.